Okay guys, today I'm going to show you a huge free traffic source that many people are using wrong. And that is why they don't get results, and that is why they say it doesn't work, but actually it does work. And today I'm going to show you how I use it to get lots of traffic, lots of free traffic for my affiliate marketing. And yes, I'm talking about Reddit marketing. So first thing you need to do, this is really important guys, so pay close attention. First, you need to build your karma. That is really important on Reddit. Now, this is one of my Reddit profiles, and here you can see my post karma is 11,600. My comment karma is 3,500. Totally, I have more than 14,000 Reddit karma. Why is that important? Because you are building authority. Let's say, for example, you just created your Reddit profile now and you shared a post, you shared a link in subreddit that doesn't allow links. Now, immediately you will be banned. But because I have authority, I have a big Reddit karma, I may get away with it, okay? They will maybe give me a warning, and sometimes they even leave my comment because I have a big authority on Reddit. And that is why you must build Reddit karma. That is really important. Now, second thing you need to do, you need to choose specific niche. Now that is really important. So for example, let's just say that I'm in keto niche. So what you need to do, you need to go here on Reddit and then you need to search, for example, keto, okay? And then press enter. And then you need to click here on communities. And you need to start commenting, you need to start answering on people's questions on all of these subreddits. You need to start sharing useful and interesting posts on all of these subreddits in order to build your karma, to build your authority. That is really, really important. Like I said, authority, in other words, karma is really, really important on Reddit. So you not just that you will build your karma, but this way you will build your followers. Now, when I go back here on my Reddit profile, you will see that I actually have 2,041 followers. Now, that is because I actually made useful posts. I shared useful posts on different kind of subreddits and people start following me. And that is 100% free and secure, guaranteed free traffic from Reddit. So for example, when I click here on posts, you will see that this post got 26,000 views. Now that is a lot of views. Now imagine how much traffic you can get from one post that got 26,000 views on Reddit. You can get a lot of traffic. So what you need to do, you need to go here on overview and you need to click here on create a post and you need to start publishing posts here on Reddit. And here you need to give it a title. Now, title should be catchy, not clickbait, not spam. Catchy, learn the difference. It is really, really important. And then here you need to add an article. Now, what I would suggest is to open your article with eye-catchy image. For example, something like this. This will certainly catch people's attention. It will catch their eye. This image is great. So after this, you just need to add your article. Now you can use, for example, ChatGPT to write you that article, or even better, you can write this article by yourself and then simply paste that article and then simply post that article here and then simply click here on post and post that article here on Reddit. Now, this is a tip for you. What I would do, what I'm actually doing, I'm adding my affiliate links only on every 10th to 15th post on Reddit. I'm not adding my affiliate links on every post on Reddit. That is really important because when you don't add affiliate links in your Reddit posts, then you can share that Reddit post in different kind of Reddit communities as long as that post is useful, it is informative. That is really important. In that way, you will build your Reddit karma post and also your Reddit comments post because you will answer on people's questions in the comments of that post that you shared in that subreddit. Okay, that is important. And in that way, you will also build your Reddit followers. But like I said, Reddit followers are guaranteed traffic, guaranteed views on your Reddit post. And not just that, because Reddit has a huge authority on Google, if you optimize your Reddit post, your Reddit article well, it can actually rank high on Google search results, and you will start getting traffic not just from Reddit, but also from Google to that Reddit article, and from that Reddit article to your affiliate link. And some of those people will click on that link, and some of those people will buy that product, and you will make money with affiliate marketing. As you can see, guys, this method does require time and does require some work. Actually, it requires a lot of work, but it is 100% free. You don't have to pay anything, and you can make money with affiliate marketing and with Reddit marketing. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.